Want to record your screen, create tutorials, or send quick video messages from your Windows computer? Loom makes it easy to capture your screen and share videos instantly. In this guide, I'll show you how to install Loom on Windows in 2026. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Loom website. Once you're on the home page, look for the download option. Click the download button and select the Windows version if prompted. The installation file will begin downloading to your computer. After the download is complete, locate the installation file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the installer. In most cases, the installation only takes a few moments. You may be asked to allow the application to make changes to your device. Once installation is complete, open Loom from your desktop shortcut or the Windows Start menu. Sign in with your existing Loom account or create a new one if you haven't registered yet. This allows your recordings to be saved and shared. Before using Loom for important projects, create a short test recording. This helps confirm that your microphone, webcam, and screen recording settings are working properly. And that's how to install Loom on Windows in 2026. Once installed, you'll be ready to create screen recordings, tutorials, presentations, and video messages whenever you need them. So go ahead and record your first video. Thanks for watching.